how to rejoin a Discord server that you have left. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on for more updates and tutorials like this one. So first, what we are going to do is go to your Discord or in the Play Store so you can see if your Discord has any updates or not. So just like this one, it has available updates, so just click on updates so that there will be features available for you in your Discord. Okay, so once you are done updating, just go to your Discord app, and so we have here a server. I'm going to leave a server. I'm showing you how to leave a server. Just click on leave server right there. And what we would do next to join the server is just click on the plus icon. So we have here a few options here like study group friends, but we won't be needing that. What we need is to join a server. So we are required to paste a link here. So just ask your friend that you have in the server that you left or you want to join. So you'll receive a link and just join the server. So I hope this helps and see you on the next video.